Good morning, students. So far we discussed standard equation of the parabola and types of the parabola, tracing the parabola y squared equal to 4ax, and you are getting 4 types of parabola. In that 4 types we derived 7 results. What are the 7 results? Number 1 is vertex, number 2 is focus, number 3 is directrix, number 4 is axis, number 5 is length of the lattice rectum, number 6 equation of the lattice rectum, again endpoints of the lattice rectum. These are the 7 results so far we discussed, and we worked out some problems based on these 7 results. For example, I am giving an example only. Y squared equal to 16x. Just to compare this one. This is the type number 1 parabola. We can compare with y squared equal to 4ax. Now 4a, instead of 4a we are having 16. Therefore 4a equal to 16, again a equal to 4. A must be always a positive unit because it is a distance. From this a, we are able to work out vertex. For all the standard type, vertex is 0, 0 for all the standard types. Number 2 is focus. It is type number 1 parabola, therefore the focus is a, 0. We can replace the a as 4, 0. In the same way, in the similar way, we are able to work out directrix. For type number 1, directrix is x plus a equal to 0. We can replace the value of a. Number 4 is axis. It is type number 1 parabola. The rough diagram. This is the type number 1 parabola. Here must be focus. This is called vertex. This is called directrix. Already well known diagram. So many examples we are already worked out. Now the axis is x-axis. Why? What is the definition of axis? Symmetry about which axis? Here symmetry about x-axis. Therefore axis is x-axis. Its equation we can say y equal to 0. In the same way, length of the lattice rectum. For all the 4 types, we are already worked out 4a. 4a is the fixed constant. 4a is the length of the lattice rectum. We can replace a. Again, equation of the lattice rectum. Equation of the lattice rectum already we worked out. Directrix is x plus a, just opposite, x minus a. You must know the reason why. See here, directrix is x plus a. See, what is the meaning of directrix? The fixed straight line is called directrix. This straight line passing through the value z, point z, the value of z must be a, 0, focus a, 0. Here minus a, 0, focus is a, 0. What is the reason? Vertex is the midpoint of f and z. So, but here equidistance, vf equal to a, here also a, it is the distance. It is in the positive direction. Focus lies in the positive direction. Therefore, f is a, 0. Then z is minus a, 0. Therefore, equation of the directrix, see here, we can say x equal to minus a. This is the line passing through the point minus a, 0. Therefore, x equal to minus a. We can convert x plus a equal to 0. See, the lattice rectum. What is the definition of lattice rectum? A focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. What is the focal? What is the meaning of focal chord? A chord passing through the focus. See here, a, 0 is the focus. This is the chord, LL dash. This is the chord, LL dash. This LL dash passing through the focus, it is called focal chord. And also it is perpendicular to the axis. So this is a, 0. The equation of this lattice rectum is x equal to a, we can say. Convert this one, x minus a equal to 0. Then what is the endpoints? This is result number 6. Now endpoints. So endpoints is L and L dash are called endpoints of the lattice rectum. It is a, 0, a, 2a, then a, minus 2a. See here, total length is 4a, equally split. 2a above, 2a below. But the point lies in the first quadrant, a, 2a. Here the point lies in the 4th quadrant, therefore a, minus 2a. These are the results already we worked out. We derived all the results. And some problems based on this we already worked out. Now it is the reverse concept today we are going to discuss. What is the meaning of the reverse concept? Out of these 7 results, see here we are having 7 results. Out of these 7 results, any 2 results may be given. You are going to work out the equation of the parabola. In type number 1 sums, we already worked out equation is given. See, this types of equation is given. We worked out 7 results. Now, out of these 7 results, any 2 results may be given. You have to work out the equation of the parabola. See the question now. We have to understand the question now. Out of these 7 results, any 2 results may be given. You have to form the equation of the parabolas. That is the concept. Today we are going to work out. See sum number 1. Based on this, we are going to work out sum number 1. Focus is 4, 0 and directrix is x equal to minus 4. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola. See, just we discussed it. We have 7 results. Out of these 7 results, focus is given. See focus. One of the result, focus. And equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix is x equal to minus 4. Find the equation of the parabola. Simply, you can use the points. Draw axis first. See, this is x-axis, y-axis, origin 0, 0. Focus is 4, 0. That means it must be here only. 4, 0 must be lies on x-axis only. Then what is the directrix? X equal to minus 4. So here 4, 0. Then the equation of the directrix, this is the directrix. It must pass through the point Z minus 4, 0. This is the directrix here. Already explained. Focus and directrix must be equidistant from the vertices. That means vertex. Vertex is the midpoint. One side focus, another side directrix. See, and also this is the vertex. All the parabolas passing through the vertex. So parabola passing through the vertex, focus must be here. So automatically directrix must be opposite to the focus and also equidistant. See here 4, 0 minus 4, 0. So that the distance between vertex and this directrix. Vertex and focus, see this must be 4, this is also 4. So it must be equidistant. But point wise, it lies in the x dash. So minus 4, 0. Here minus 4, 0 is not directly given. But you have to understand x equal to minus 4. So this is the equation of the line x equal to minus 4. That means this line directrix must pass through a point minus 4, 0 only. Therefore, minus 4, 0, this line directrix parallel to y-axis. Then parallel to y-axis means see x equal to minus 4. So minus 4, 0. Now you can draw the required parabola like this. See, 4, 0 is the focus. Always I explained already, this is the open right side. Focus must be placed in the open, this diagram. So always focus lies between this opening. So if the focus is here, then vertex must be here. All the parabolas passing through the vertex, then direction must be the opposite to the focus. Now see this diagram. What is the type? Type number 1. What is the formula we are able to work out? Y squared equal to 4ax. I already explained. A must be the positive quantity. What is the value of A? Distance from the vertex to the focus. See, vertex is 0, 0. Focus is 4, 0. Therefore, this must be A. The value is 4. Here also A. This is also A. The value is 4. Always A must be positive quantity. Just to replace, we can say y squared equal to 4 into the value of A is also 4. Then x, simplify, y squared equal to 16x. So type number 1, equation given, you are able to work out the focus directrix like that. Here focus is given, directrix is also given, therefore you are able to create the equation. So you have to first identify type, which type the given data belongs to. We are able to see the points 4, 0. First we have analyzed 4, 0 is the point, that is focus. 4, 0 lies in which axis? Positive direction of x-axis. Then directrix. See the directrix x equal to minus 4. So directrix must be opposite to the focus. then vertex is the midpoint. See here 4 comma 0 minus 4 comma 0. Therefore vertex must be 0 comma 0 only because it is the midpoint. Now this is the parabolic diagram. Always focus must be placed between this opening. So always placed. Therefore you have to analyze the types. So far we have discussed all the types. This is type number 1. So A must be the distance between vertex and focus. It is also equal to vertex to the directrix. Always this distance must be equal. But one is in the positive, another is in the negative. Now we are able to work out this is the type number 1 parabola. Y squared equal to 4ax. We need A only. Already worked out A. Simplify, just to substitute, simplify. This is the equation of the required parabola. Now you can verify in the reverse process. Suppose this parabola is given. We are able to work out all these 7 results. Now think about the result, reverse concept also. See, y squared equal to 16x is given. Which type belongs to? Y squared equal to 4ax. Type number 1 it belongs to. 4a equal to 16. 4a equal to 16. A equal to 4. Then y squared equal to 16x. Type number 1. Type number 1, what is the formula to find the focus? Focus f, a comma 0. See, a is 4, 4 comma 0. That's all. Then type number 1, what is the equation of directrix? What is the equation of directrix? X plus a equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 equal to 0. See here x plus 4 equal to 0. So if equation is given, we can find out all the 7 datas. Out of the 7 datas, any 2 datas given, we are able to work out the equation also. This is the vice versa concept. Any equation given, we are able to work out. Then datas given, we are able to work out. See, in the same model, question number 2, you are going to work out the same model. Question number 2. Focus is minus root 2 comma 0 and directrix is directrix means equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix x equal to root 2. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola. Now listen, in question number 1, focus is given 4 comma 0. Here minus root 2 comma 0. Draw the axis immediately. So draw the axis immediately. Minus root 2 comma 0 must be placed in x dash. Here only we are able to plot minus root 2 comma 0. This is the focus. They are given the data as per the data. This is the vertex because x-axis and y-axis. First we can say it is origin. Initially you can say origin because meeting place of x-axis and y-axis. So it must be origin. Now x equal to root 2. See here root 2 comma 0, then equidistance opposite to this directrix always placed in the opposite to the focus. Here focus means it must be opposite. This is the directrix. See the equation is x equal to root 2. If the equation x equal to root 2, we can identify this point root 2 comma 0 only. We can identify root 2 comma 0 only because in x-axis the value of y must be 0. X equal to root 2. We can pair the point root 2 comma 0. This point is z. This is a perpendicular line. See here focus here. Then z directrix here. So V is the vertex. We can say vertex is the midpoint of f and z. So midpoint must be origin 0 comma 0 only. Now see focus here, vertex here, then the directrix here. See this. Just now I explained focus must be placed in the opening only. So this is the parabola type number 2. What is the equation of type number 2? We already worked out. Type number 2 is y squared equal to minus 4ax. Here what is the value of a? See here. We need a only because y and x are the variables. A is the constant we need. I already explained what is the meaning of a. It is the distance from the vertex to the focus. It must be equal to the vertex to the directrix. See here 0 comma 0. See here root 2. Therefore a must be root 2 only. We need the distance. Point this means we can use the negative. It is the distance. See the same distance must be here also. A equal to root 2. So here root 2, here minus root 2 because it focus placed on x dash. Here z placed on x axis. So this is root 2 comma 0. So A must be root 2. Here also root 2. Just to substitute here, we can get y squared equal to minus 4. The value of A must be root 2x. That's all. So 4 root 2x. So we need A and we need the type. So we have to identify from the given data which type, the given parabola belongs to which type. So here focus is given, then equation of, this is the equation of the directrix. So equation, all the directrix listen passes through this Z. So this directrix passing through the Z means Z is the point placed on x-axis. Here x equal to root 2. This point Z placed on x-axis. The value of y must be 0 only. Therefore this is root 2 comma 0. Here minus root 2 comma 0. Dear student, carefully listen this concept. Vertex is the midpoint of f and z. That means it must be equidistant from the focus. See, vf is a, there is root 2. Here vz, that is also root 2. Therefore this is the important concept. Vertex is the midpoint of f and z. You take down the theoretical part, already explained. This is the vertex. Then all the parabolas passing through the vertex. What is the definition of vertex? It is the point of intersection of the axis and the parabola. See the diagram, this is the parabolic. This is the axis. It is the meeting place. So all the parabolas passing through the vertex only. So this is the vertex. So from this we are able to identify this parabola belongs to which type? Type number 2. This is the type number 2. So you can identify y squared equal to minus 4ax, the equation type number 2. We need a. So just work out the a. Substitute here. Y squared equal to minus 4 root 2x. Now we are going to work out the third equation in the same model only. So datas depends upon the datas. I already explained we are having 7 datas. From these 7 datas we are able to work out. See the question number 3 in the same model. Find the equation of the parabola. We are discussing about parabolas only. Now the third question. Find the equation of the parabola. Symmetric about y-axis and passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. Find the equation. Read the question. Symmetric about y-axis. I already explained about what is the meaning of symmetry. In type number 1 and 2, see, you have to recall. This is type number 1. Just draw a rough diagram. This is type number 1. This is type number 2. Just recall your ideas. So type number 1, type number 2, symmetric about x-axis. See this diagram. What is the meaning of symmetry? Symmetry means identical. See this diagram, symmetrical about x-axis. Above x-axis and below x-axis is the same part only. Therefore this is called symmetrical about x-axis. Here also symmetrical about x-axis. So type number 1 and 2, symmetrical about x-axis. Now the given data is symmetrical about y-axis. Just recall your ideas. This is type number 3. Now work out type number 4. See these two diagrams. This is symmetrical about y-axis. See here, y-axis, about y-axis, same identical portion. Here also, same identical portion. But one portion is above, one portion is below. So this is called open upward. This is called open downward. But both the diagram symmetrical about y-axis. So the concept symmetrical about y-axis. So we are able to justify the concept symmetrical about y-axis. But see the point now. Passing through the point. This parabola passing through many points. This parabola is also passing through many points. Out of that many points, one point is given 2 comma minus 3. So 2 comma minus 3 lies in which quadrant? X positive, Y negative. It must be lies in the fourth quadrant only. Therefore, here not possible to take fourth quadrant. Here only fourth quadrant is possible. So this parabola passing through 2 comma minus 3. Just you can plot. This is 2 comma minus 3. We need the quadrant only, not exact graph. Okay? We need a rough diagram. So this is the parabola, symmetrical about y-axis, passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. Now listen. This is not applicable. The reason is point is 2 comma minus 3. Depends upon y-axis, both are possible, but depends upon the points 2 comma minus 3. So now it passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. I already explained all the parabolas passing through the vertex only. All the parabolas passing through the vertex. Now this type belongs to fourth type parabola. What is the equation of the fourth type? X squared equal to minus 4ay. X squared equal to minus 4ay. Here we need a. In question number 1 and 2, we are able to work out a in different formation. What is the formation in 1 and 2? It is the distance from the vertex and focus. Here vertex we know, but focus is not given. Therefore, we are not able to work out. But we have another idea. This is the equation of the parabola. It passing through a point. A particular equation passing through a point, we can substitute. Therefore, this x squared equal to minus 4ay passing through the point. Passing through the point. What is the point? 2 comma minus 3. Now, this value belongs to x, this value belongs to y. Just to substitute, instead of x, 2 squared, minus 4, instead of y, this is a, instead of y, we can say minus 3. Here 4 squared, here positive, 2 negatives, 4 3s are 12a. We are able to cut, therefore a equal to 4 divided by 12. This is 12 division. So we are able to work out this 1 by 3. So this is the value of a. Very carefully listen the ideas. Just simply ideas only. No need to memory. So listen the concept. Symmetric about y-axis. We are having two parabolas symmetric about y-axis. It may be third type or it may be fourth type. So we are choosing third and fourth first. After that, listen the concept. Passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. So type number 3 exists in open upward. So it may be in first and second quadrant only. Here fourth and third quadrant, this diagram. So the given point belongs to the fourth quadrant. So 2 comma minus 3. So we are taking this type. We are justifying the concept. So equation we are able to work out x squared equal to minus 4y. We need a. That is the logic. In first two types we are worked out a. From first two questions we are able to work out, focus is given. Directly we are able to work out. Here not able to work out directly. So it passing through a point. A equation passing through a particular point we are able to replace x comma y. Just a substitute. 2 squared become 4. Here 4a. That means we are able to directly we can cancel these are 4 also. Then we are having 3a. Both these negative multiplying we can get 3a. We need a. Therefore we are able to work out a equal to 1 by 3. Just to substitute here x squared equal to minus 4. The value of a is 1 by 3 y. I can cross multiply this 3. So I can write like this 3x squared equal to minus 4y. I am cross multiplying these 3. That's all. 3x squared equal to minus 4y. So this type of the parabola belongs to fourth type. Fourth type x squared equal to negative. So we can get negative. So identify the concept. First, dear students, work out all the theoretical concept. We need 4 types of parabolas. Depends upon the parabolas only, we are able to work any question. Just we need 7 results. So far, I already explained all the 4 types, and all the 4 types we are working out the diagrammatic explanation and all the results. Symmetry, already explained the concept symmetry. What is the meaning of symmetry? Identical. We are having 2 types of symmetry. Symmetry about x-axis or symmetry about y-axis. The given concept is symmetry about y-axis. Then read the points carefully. This point belongs to which quadrant? That is the logic. Belongs to fourth quadrant. So this type of parabola exists in fourth and third quadrant. So given substitute we are able to work out. In the same logic, we are able to work out the one more concept. Here any two ideas must be given. That's all. From that two ideas you are able to create. From that two ideas you are able to create a question. See here, question number 4. In your question number 4, endpoints of the lattice rectum. Endpoints of the lattice rectum are 4,8 and 4,-8. See, there are two data are given. Find the equation. Find the equation. See the endpoints of the lattice rectum. I already explained. What is the meaning of lattice rectum? A focal chord which is passing through the focus and which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. See here, the given 2 points lies in which quadrant? This point belongs to first quadrant, 4,8. Then 4,-8 belongs to fourth quadrant. So there are 2 points are given, lies in first and fourth quadrant. See this concept. This is the type number 1 parabola, we already explained. Type number 1 parabola. This is the vertex 0, 0. Here must be the focus. What is the definition for lattice rectum? A focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. That means lattice rectum must pass through the focus as well as it is perpendicular to x-axis. Since this is the axis of the parabola. So this is the focus. These 2 points are given. 1 point is 4,8. So only explain this belongs to first quadrant. See here 4,-8. That means it is equidistant from this 4,-8. It lies in the fourth quadrant. See what is the value of focus here? This must be 4,8. Then say this is L and L dash. L is 4,8. 4,-8. It is a perpendicular line because what is the definition? Lattice rectum is a focal chord perpendicular to the axis. Therefore, here must be perpendicular. So now that this point must be 4,0 only. Why? Here 4,8. Here 4,-8. This line must be perpendicular. So it must pass through the F. F means the focus. Focus must be 4,0. 0 why you are coming? It is on the x-axis. That means 4,0. From this diagram, we are able to identify. See vertex, focus. Then A must be distance. Here 4 unit. A must be the distance 4 units. So depends upon the concept. See the concept 4,8, 4,-8. I already explained what is the meaning of lattice rectum. It is a focal chord. So he see it passes through the focus. Then only it called the focus. Sorry, focal chord. So you can draw like this also. So for example, this is also a focal chord. Suppose many students may get a doubt like this. This is also a focal chord. So here line you can draw like this. This is also a focal chord. Any chord passing through the focus, it is called a focal chord. But definition, see the definition. It is perpendicular to the axis. So these 2 lines are not perpendicular to the axis. Therefore, you must draw the diagram as per the logic. It must be perpendicular to the axis. So it is a perpendicular line. Automatically 4,8, 4,-8. It must be 4,0 only. Because it is a perpendicular line, it must be, here the value of x must be the same only. So 4, 4, 4. See the value of x. Y must be changes. Here y must be positive quantity. Here y must be negative quantity. Here the value of y is 0. It lies on x-axis. We are able to work out A. Now we can justify what is the type. Type number 1, y squared equal to 4ax. Directly we cannot get the value y squared equal to 4ax. Here the value of a must be 4. Therefore y squared equal to 4 into 4 into x. So y squared equal to 16x. That's all. Simplest way. If you are understanding the logic, no need to work out very long steps. Very simplest concept. You have to justify the concept. 4,8, 4,-8 lies in first and fourth quadrant. So first and fourth quadrant, you have to first and fourth quadrant. So immediately you can justify the type. Which type of the parabola passing through first and fourth quadrant? Type number 1 only passing through the first and fourth quadrant. Just is the logic. So first and fourth quadrant, type number 1 parabola I am drawing. Immediately 4, 8, 4, minus 8. I have to work out f. What is the meaning of f? Focus. Here what is the definition? It must be a focal chord. So it must be passes through the focus. As well as it must be perpendicular to the axis. So here we can get 4, 0. Immediately find out a. Substitute the data. Y squared equal to 16x. So far we worked out all the problems related to the vertex. Here the vertex is so far we worked out 4 problems. In these 4 problems, all the 4 problems having the vertex 0, 0 only. 0, 0 only. Now, see, now already we explained. Instead of the vertex v0, 0, it may be shifting to some other point. So now shifting the vertex. Instead of 0, 0, vertex must be shifting. Now, in this type, vertex is 1, 2 and focus is 4, 2. Now listen, vertex is 1, 2, focus is 4, 2. Instead of vertex 0, 0, listen carefully. All the types, see type number 1 parabola, type number 2 parabola. This is x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. See, this is the vertex. Type number 3, type number 4. All these are very rough diagram only, just for your recalling concept. See here, all the parabolas passing through the vertex. Here vertex is 0, 0 for all the type. Vertex is 0, 0. Instead of this vertex 0, 0, now we are having a new vertex. What is the vertex? 1, 2. Therefore, already we explained, shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to some other place h, k. Therefore, we have to draw a new axis, capital X and capital Y, parallel to small x and small y. Now, this is the vertex shifting to the point h, k. This is the vertex shifting from 0, 0 to some other place. Now, take the axis as usual. 0, 0 is the origin. Now see this, 1, 2 lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. 1 unit, 2 unit. Just this is the vertex given 1, 2. Now we have to draw a new axis capital X and new axis capital Y. This is the new axis capital X and capital Y. This is the vertex. Now what is the value of focus? 4, 2. We already worked out 1, 2. Then 4, 2 must be in the same line just after this 1, 2. This is 1, 2. Now this is the focus. 4, 2. So see, vertex focus is given. I already explained. Focus where? It should be placed in the opening only, I already explained. Focus must be placed in the opening. One concept. Then what is the second concept? All the parabolas passing through the vertex. So, see parabola vertex, we already having the vertex. Then focus. Then opening must be here, this type of only. Therefore, immediately we can draw the diagram. That's all. See the logic. All the parabolas passing through the vertex. Then focus must be placed in the open place. See, vertex, focus. Then what is the meaning of value of A? I already explained. It is the distance between V and F. I already explained. See, V is 1, 2, F is 4, 2. What is the distance between these two? Here 1 unit, here 4 unit. Then subtract, we can get 3. Just subtract, we can get the distance. Already used in lower classes, 10th standard formula, distance between 2 points usually. Instead of that, just use the logic. See, 4, 2, 1, 2. If you are using the concept, distance between 2, same only. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square. 4 minus 1 the whole square. That means 3 squared. 2 minus 2, 0. then we are having only 3 squared root again. Root and square will be removed. We can get 3. So don't use the long method. Just apply the logic. See 1 comma 2 here, 4 comma 2 here. Just subtract the distance. 4 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 4 minus 1, 3 only. Simple logic. So we are getting the VF. VF is the distance between 2 points. That must be A only. What is the definition of A? Distance between vertex and focus. You are getting. Now we are going to work out the equation. How we are able to work out? From this capital X and capital Y, this parabola belongs to which type? Type number 1. See, the capital X and capital Y belongs to which type? Type number 1. What is the type number 1 equation? Equation is, what is the formula to find type number 1? Capital Y squared equal to 4AX. Use capital X and capital Y, that's all. Here A already we worked out 3. Then in your theoretical concept, you can refer capital X replaced by H minus X, capital Y replaced by Y minus K. So if the vertex is shifting, all the standard times passing through this only vertex. Here instead of this, the point is shifting from this place. So here you are drawing new axis capital X and capital Y. These two axes are parallel to original axis. Now consider capital X and capital Y. Capital X and capital Y, you can imagine capital X and capital Y. With reference to capital X and capital Y, the parabola is type number 1. Then the parabola's equation is y squared equal to 4ax. Then x and capital X and capital Y should be replaced in terms of small x and small y only. Therefore, capital X equal to x minus h, capital Y equal to y minus k. What is the meaning of h comma k? I already explained it. Shifting the vertex from 0 comma 0 to some other point. That point is vh comma k. So we can replace this y is replaced by y minus k. K is here 2. Y minus 2 the whole square. 4 into the value of a already worked out. This is 3. Then capital X is replaced by x minus h. X minus, what is the value of h here? 1. So we can say y minus 2 the whole squared equal to 4 3s are 12, x minus 1. This is the equation of the required parabola. You can expand this one. It is in the form of a minus b the whole square. You can expand this one. This is the equation of the required parabola. Listen carefully once again. This type of questions are very important. May be asked in your exams directly. See the concept. In standard types, all the parabolas passing through the vertex. First is logic. Then, focus must be placed in the open part only. Between the opening curve, focus must be placed. Here these two data are given. So V1, 2, vertex is 1, 2. Instead of this vertex 0, 0, the new vertex is changing. So first plot the point. So in this vertex, draw capital X, capital Y. Y, see here small x and small y meeting at vertex 0, 0. Instead of this, we are drawing a new axis, capital X and capital Y. It must be passing through the vertex. Now, focus is 4, 2. Already 1, 2. 4, 2 is just after this only we can plot the point 4, 2. Now listen, VF is the value of A. What is the value of A? Distance between vertex and focus is A. See 4, 2, 1, 2. Just subtract 4 minus 1 becomes 3. Use the logic. Instead of the distance between 2 points, this is the same. Because it lies in the same axis only. Here 2, here 2. It must be 0. So 4 minus 1, just 3. So A equal to 3. Now work out the equation. This is type number 1, but use capital X, capital Y. Because with reference to capital X and capital Y, we are justifying all the concepts. Capital Y is equal to 4ax. A is worked out 3. Then use this logic. This is shifting from the vertex to some other place. Then capital X is replaced by x minus h. Capital Y is replaced by y minus k. Now see here y minus k. Instead of k, see the 2. Y minus 2 the whole squared. 4 into L value is 3. X minus h value is 1. Substitute and simplify. You can expand this, multiply, convert this. It is the equation of the required parabola. This concept is differ from the vertex 0, 0. Instead of 0, 0 we are having. In the same logic, we are having one more sum. You can work out the same logic. I am giving the idea. Don't copy everything. Dear students, this thing, just I am explaining. You can try yourself. And after that, Just verify the result. Don't copy everything. Now see the question number 6. Vertex is 5 comma minus 2. Vertex is 5 comma minus 2. And focus is 2 comma minus 2. Find the equation. Same logic. In the previous question also we discussed vertex is given, focus is given. Here vertex is 5 comma minus 2, focus is 2 comma minus 2. Just recall, shifting the vertex. If the vertex is shifting from 0 comma 0, then we need capital X capital Y axis. So just first draw small x small y axis. It is the initial. The meeting place of x axis and y axis must be origin 0 comma 0. Now vertex is shifting from 0 comma 0 to some other place. Which place? 5 comma minus 2. 5 comma minus 2 lies in which quadrant? 4th quadrant. See 5 units. Take 5 units minus 2 units. That's all. This is the given vertex. 5 comma minus 2. Immediately draw the new axis. This is parallel to original small x and small y. So always use this type of dotted lines, then only we can differ. So initially we are using the thick lines, that is the small x, small y. Then immediately, if the vertex is shifting, we need capital X and capital Y parallel to small x and small y. This is the logic. The 5 comma minus 2. See the focus, 2 comma minus 2. 2 comma minus 2 is also lies in the 4th quadrant only. Here 5 comma minus 2, just before this one, we are able to plot 2 comma minus 2. 2 comma minus 2. Vertex, focus. All the parabolas passing through the vertex. Then where focus should be placed? In the opening. So automatically you can get the knowledge. That's all. Automatically you can get the knowledge. So this is the logic. All the parabolas passing to the vertex. Then focus must be placed in the opening. This is the possibilities. No other possibility. So vertex, focus. We need A. What is the value of A? Already explained. Distance between vertex and focus. See here, A equal to vertex 5 comma minus 2. 2. Just I am explaining. Subtract 5 here, 2 here. That must be A only. 5 minus 2. Suppose maybe asked 2 minus 5 minus 3. But I already explained. A must be positive because it is a distance. So all the concept you have to listen. So 5 minus 2. Take the bigger value. 5 minus 2. It must be 3. Minus 2 minus half automatically it will be 0 only. Therefore A equal to 2. From this we are able to create the equation. See what type? Type number 2. Open left side. Now equation is, you can write here, equation is capital Y squared equal to minus 4A capital X. Because type number 2. Here A already we worked out. Just now I explained what is the replacement. Capital X should be replaced by X minus H. Capital Y should be replaced by, because shifting. So you can write this is the vertex, this is H comma K. This is the vertex H comma K. This Y should be replaced by Y minus K the whole squared equal to 4. The value of A is 3. Then this capital X is replaced by X minus H. Just substitute the data. Y minus K. K is replaced by, see here already minus 2. So it will be minus of minus. Then 4 into 3, 12. X minus H. H is 5. So already we see here, I am just missing here with the negative here. This is type number 2, second type. I leave this negative, so you can use the negative. 4 3s are 12 here with the negative. Okay. So Y negative of negative. See here K negative of negative. It must be positive here. Then minus 12. So you can expand this one also like this. Y squared 2 into 2 4y again plus 4. Here you can multiply inside minus 12x 5 into 12. It must be 16. You can convert everything into the same side. You can leave here also. This is enough. Suppose you want to expand, you can write like this also. Now convert everything in the same side. Here y squared. Here 12x. This negative comes to here positive. Here already you are having 4y as positive. Here 60. Convert it to the same side. So minus 60. Already 4. We can get minus 56 is equal to 0. These both results are same only. These both results are same only. Because we can leave here itself. Y plus 2 the whole square equal to minus 12 x minus 5. You can expand, you can get the result. Y squared, 2 2s are 4y. Again, multiplying inside, we can get minus 12x. Negative of negative becomes positive 6. Convert in the same side. Y squared, 12 comes in positive. Then 4y. 50, again here sorry, 60. 4, we can get 56. Convert the same side, we can get minus 56. Both are same only. So, we have only 2 datas. By using these 2 datas, we are able to work out the equation of the parabolas. Just draw the diagram. Depends upon the diagram only we are able to work out. How we are drawing the diagram? Shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to some other place. Immediately keep this concept in your mind. Draw the new axis capital X and capital Y. The capital X and the capital Y must pass us through the vertex, new vertex. Then plot the point to focus. Here 5 comma minus 2. Focus is 2 comma minus 2. Just immediately this point. Then you are able to justify the knowledge. All the parabolas passes through the vertex. Then focus should be placed in the opening. That's all. With the help of this, I am drawing this diagram. So vertex and the focus. Then you have to find the value of A. A must be the distance between vertex and the focus. Just 5 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 2. Just to subtract you can get. A must be, keep this concept, A must be concept. It is always positive. Then justify this diagram. Use the type. It is type number 2. Y squared equal to minus 4ax. Instead of A, substitute 3. Then capital X is replaced by x minus h. Capital Y is replaced by y minus h. Always this is the fixed logic. H is replaced by 5 here. K is replaced by minus. So already minus. It will be positive. Then expand, you can get the logic. So we are working out 6 problems based on this. Again one more. We are having the same logic. Same logic. We are able to work out. So everyone should understand 4 types of parabolas. Then you are able to work out the equations very easy way. See here, vertex. Vertex is minus 1 comma minus 2. Axis is parallel to y-axis. This is the new logic. Axis is parallel to y-axis. Passing through the point 3 comma 6. See, there are 2 datas. Vertex minus 1 comma 2. Passing through the point 3 comma 6. And one more data is given parallel to y-axis. Now listen. X-axis, y-axis is must be origin. First you have to draw this. Then vertex is minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2 lies in 3rd quadrant. See, minus 1 minus 2. This is the vertex minus 1 comma minus 2. I already explained. If you plot the point vertex, then we need capital X and capital Y parallel to small x and small y. See here. Capital X. This is capital Y. This is capital Y. Now see, this is the parabola, this is the vertex, then given capital X and capital Y. Now see the concept, axis is parallel to small y axis, that must be here. This is parallel to small y. This axis parallel to small y. So we are having y axis, this capital Y axis parallel to small y. So that I explained, draw the new axis capital X and capital Y parallel to small x and small y. So this is the axis we required. And passing through the point 3 comma 6. 3 comma 6 must be in which quadrant? First quadrant only. See here, 3 units, 6 units like this. 3 comma 6. Now see the vertex here. This vertex, all the parabolas passing through the vertex. So we may have two ideas. You may like this or you may like this. There are two possibilities. But passing through which point? 3, 6. Whether this parabola passing through that point? It is not possible. So we can leave that concept. So you have to think about the logics. Parabola passing through. So we are having possibilities or two possibilities belongs to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis we are having two possibilities. But depends upon the point. See this parabola. See this. So this is the capital Y. This is parallel to small y. We are working out this logic. Then vertex. This vertex. Passing through the point 3, 6. So we have fulfilled all the logics. Now this is belongs to which type? Third type. Open upward. Now the equation is capital X squared equal to 4a capital Y. Capital X squared equal to 4a capital Y. Open upward. Type 3. This belongs to type 3. Now, what is the value of a? We are not able to work out. See, so here, if the focus is given, we are able to work out directly. See, this capital X is replaced by x minus h the whole squared. A is here unknown, 4a. Y is replaced by y minus k. That is the logic. What is the value of h comma k? So, vertex is always denoted by h comma k. I can replace h comma k. So, x. Negative of negative, it becomes positive 1, the whole squared. Now 4a, y, negative of negative, so y plus 2. Now we want to find the value of a. What is the procedure to find? Initially we are working out one problem. If any equation passing through a particular point, we can substitute. So this parabola passing through, which point? 3, 6. So this parabola passing through the point. So x is replaced by 3 plus 1 whole squared. Then 4, a is unknown, y is replaced by 6 plus 2. 3 plus 1, 4 squared is 16. Here also we are having 6 plus 2, we can get 8. Then these 4 and 16 must be cancelled, we can get 4. We need 8a equal to 4. Therefore, I am working out here. So 8a equal to 4. See here 4, here 4. That means a equal to 4 divided by 8. We can say a equal to 1 by 2. So always work out a. You may think about like this also. 4a, just simplify this. 6 plus 2, 8. You are able to work out in that way also. But a is one of the key points. Always work out the a, not 4a. So a equal to 1 by 2. Just replace here. What is the equation here? See here, x plus 1 the whole squared. Therefore, required equation is. See here, x plus 1 the whole squared. X plus 1 the whole squared equal to 4. The value of a must be 1. So 4, the value of a must be 1 by 2 here. Then y plus 2. This 4 and 2 will be eliminated. We can get x plus 1 the whole squared equal to 2 times y plus 2. This is the equation of the required parabola. You can expand this also. See once again, it is one new logic. So think about this one. Vertex is minus 1, 2. This is the vertex, minus 1, 2. First plot the vertex. Then draw the new axis capital X and capital Y parallel to small x and small y. Draw the axis. The second concept, immediately, we need the parabola parallel to small y. See, this is small y. So we are having the parabolas parallel to small y. Axis is, see the axis, this is the axis parallel to small. If parallel to small y means we are having two possibilities. It may be type number 3 or maybe type number 4. Both the parabolas are parallel to y-axis. But depends upon the point 3, 6. We are getting the type number 3 only. See, the type number 3 passing through 3, 6. Then immediately you can get the idea. It is type number 3 parabola. Then equation of type number 3 is x square equal to 4ay. Keep this in very important area. Use capital X, capital Y. So instead of this capital X, replace x minus h. Instead of this capital Y, replace y minus k. Then substitute the data h comma k. Here h comma k is minus 1 comma 2. Therefore it must be expressed on the whole square y plus 2. We need to find the value of a. How here it is possible means this parabola, this is the required parabola. This parabola, see the passing through the point 3 comma 6. An equation passing through a particular point, we can substitute the x value. See here x value is 3. 3 plus 1 the whole square. Y value is 6. 6 plus 2. 3 plus 1 4 squared 16. Here 4a and 8. This 4 and 16 will be removed. We can get 4 here. Or you can get 8 and 16 also. You can remove directly 8 and 16. So here we are getting 8a equal to 4. So this is 6 plus 2 8. Already having a. This 4 I am removing. So 8a equal to 4. Then a equal to, we can get 1 by 2. Then substitute here instead of this. See, required equation. 4 is already a constant. A is 1 by 2, just you are finding out. This 4 and 2 will be removed. You can get equation of the required parabola. So dear students, see here. So far we discussed some logics. Initially one type equation is given. The question asked is you are going to find all vertex, focus, directrix, lattice rectum, equation of the lattice rectum, length of the lattice rectum, and the endpoints of the lattice rectum. These are the 7 data we so far worked out. Now today we are worked out of these 7 results, the type not given indirectly. So you have to identify. Out of these 7 results, they may given any 2 results. For example, vertex and focus, or endpoints of the lattice rectum. Then passing through the point. Like this, they may be given any 2 data. By using these 2 data, we have to draw the diagram first. Then after that, vertex and focus are given. Then use the logics. Vertex, instead of vertex, they may be given directrix also. Now, the another concept is, instead of the vertex 0, 0, standard type means vertex is 0, 0 for all the 4 type. Instead of that standard type, instead of that vertex 0, 0, the point is shifting from 0, 0 to some other place. For example, here see the shifting vertex is minus 1, minus 2. So you have to draw the new axis capital X and capital Y parallel to small x and small y. After that, justify the diagram with the help of concept with passing through the point. Then parallel to axis is parallel to y axis. Maybe focus is given. Always keep this logic in your mind. Focus must be placed in the opening only. Whether it may be open right or open, so that we are using the word open right, open left, open up, open down. So focus must be placed in the opening. Then what is the value of A? A must be distance between vertex and focus. It must be positive quantity only. So with the help of this logic, you are worked out 7 questions. So dear students, try to work out yourself. Thank you.